What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to install and configure your printer on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. On this window, search for Printer and select Printers and Scanners. Here, you have the option to add a new printer or scanner, in case it's not added yet. Select Add Device, which will take some time to scan network printers and scanners, as well as USB devices. After finding your device in this list, simply click on Add Device, and Windows will automatically add the device and it will be usable after the drivers are installed. In case you don't see it here, then simply select Add Manually. A new window will open up, where you will have to select how to find the printer you failed to find automatically. For older printers, keep the My printer is a little older option selected and click on Next. This will scan your port for older printers and scanners. For newer network printers, select Add the Bluetooth, wireless or network discoverable printer and click on Next. After finding your printer, Windows will most likely install the required driver to properly communicate with the device. But in case you run into any issue, then make sure to update your printer driver manually. Simply search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Here, expand Printers. Right-click the device you wish to use and select Update Driver. Lastly, click on Search automatically for drivers. In case nothing helped you out, then navigate back to your printers and scanners options and scroll all the way down. Here, you have the option to select Troubleshoot. This will solve a lot of common printer issues which would otherwise prevent you from using your printer. Simply select your printer after loading this list of previously used printers and click on Next. This will check your printer connectivity and install software. You will then be presented with a possible fix to your issue. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.